Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you are doing good. Hope you are resonating with the readings. Today, while channeling Kali's message, I feel the color will be orange. I feel for some of you, there's a lot of blockages, and for some females who follow me, I feel they are feeling of late very low, very emotional and insecure, and because of which they feel as if everything is not good. So that's the reason I feel orange is needed to give you more of energies of the sacral chakra, at the same time a little bit of your solar plexus also. So today, if you can work on something orange, and if you can eat something yellow, it will work beautifully for you. And today, just do one thing. In the morning, whenever you step out of the house, just burn a ghee lamp in front of your altar and seek the blessings of the Devi, that let my day be really, really good. And in the evening, when you come back, or even if you're a person who doesn't go out, whenever you get time today, go out and feed at least 3 poor people and come. And I'm sure some blessings will come to you. Now, let's see which card to take. Okay, 2 cards have come on their own, so I will take the first 2 cards itself which came. So, the first card is Kurukula, and the next card is Anahata Kali. Now, here again, I was saying that the solar and the sacral is blocked, maybe because of which the heart chakra is also needing a lot of energy today. Many people call the Kurukala as a shamanic Kali also. So she is the one who lets go of negative energies. In the pic, if you see, she has a bow and arrow. Basically, she is a power goddess, a warrior goddess, and she knows how to support you when the time comes. So she says, just move swiftly, follow your heart. Maybe that is why Anahata Kali has come, because Kurukala always says, follow your heart and just go by, because my presence itself is a significance that whatever you're doing, it's going to be in your favor and you're going to be blessed. So you don't have to worry about anything, and all you need to do is surrender all your fears to me and go with the flow. And now coming to the Anahata Kali, that also somewhere is more like you need to work on your heart. Maybe there is a blockage, or there's some emotional pain. That is why maybe even I said that the solar plexus and the sacral chakra has to be energized. Maybe the blockage or the solar plexus is emotionally down. That is why even the heart chakra is down. But heal yourself, heal your heart, and I'm sure Ma Kali will bring in the beautiful changes. But get back to your own old ways. Sometimes we just give up and we just sit, and then we realize that we are stuck in our own energy, so which is not good for us, which is not good for everyone around us. So go with the flow, don't get stuck with existing energies. Instead, don't give up on yourself and work smoothly towards yourself, and understand one thing: wherever Kalima is there is no worries, there's nothing to worry about. And if there's an emotional pain, you can always overcome it. So have a beautiful and a blessed day.